Most people wait until their car breaks down before taking action. That's the most expensive time to fix it. At EHP Automobile Maintenance, we believe prevention is always better than repair. Our preventive maintenance approach helps identify small issues before they become major breakdowns. I'm here to ensure your vehicle runs perfectly. Let's start with a thorough inspection of the engine and all major systems.
We also inspect suspension, steering components, tires, filters, and other essential systems that keep your car running safely. Routine maintenance helps you avoid unexpected breakdowns, save money on repairs, improve safety, and extend the life of your vehicle. Whether you drive every day or occasionally, EHP helps keep your vehicle reliable and road ready.
Don't wait for a costly repair. Contact EHP Automobile Maintenance today. Protect your car before problems start.